Hello everybody, my name is Kendall, if you didn't already know, and if you guys didn't know, you should definitely click that little red subscribe button that's right down below to enter my fun little family. Today I am going to be doing a fall fashion video. Now this is just a forewarning, not super fashion forward, not fashion-y at all, but I figured I'd show you guys what I'm wearing right now. Keep in mind I do live in Arizona, so right now it's still like 115 degrees every day. R.I.P. me. So a lot of this stuff, like this sweater, I can't wear yet. That's also why you'll see some t-shirts in here. So just also keep everything with a grain of salt. I know that everybody can't wear t-shirts in fall. But yeah, this is just my little fashionista kind of video. I don't really know why I think I can film this because I don't know fashion at all, but I figured I might. So if you want to see what outfits I have in store, just keep watching. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. We are so freaking close to 1,000. Holy crap. I've been doing this for about 3 years now, so really hitting 1,000 is like something that I never thought I would do because I've been growing so slowly. But I'm so excited, and I just want to say thank you to every single person who subscribed, whether you subscribed 3 years ago or you just subscribed right now. Thank you so much. You guys mean the absolute world to me. If you want to get to know me, leave a comment down in the comments. That seems dumb, but leave a comment if you want to get to know me, because like I said, this is my little family. Y'all are my best friends. I love you so insanely. I'll see you next week with another video. Peace out, babes.